Hello, today I'm creating a candidate ranking system. This agent helps HR professionals rank candidates based on how well their profiles match a specific job post. Here's the process. The HR team provides a job description and candidate CVs. The agent then analyzes and ranks them automatically. The agent setup is complete. Let's test how it works. So it's asking for a job post and CVs. Let's start by providing a random job post. Now it's analyzing the job description. The job post is for a sales manager role. I have a few engineering CVs. Let's upload them and see what happens. Let me add one more CV. It's generated summaries for both CVs and ranked them accordingly. But since neither is relevant to the sales manager role, let's redefine our agent for better accuracy. This time I'm using a different job post link. Now, let's upload the CVs again. It's asking whether I want to upload more CVs or view the results. Let's check the results now. We can further refine the agent's tone and level of detail through prompting. That's it. Thanks for watching.